Welcome to the latest episode of PinkCraftBunny. This time we explore Kalali Brew in Udapa. Situated on top of a hotel, it's a great place to watch the sun go down over the lake in Udapa. Now let's get to the brews. They've got 4 on tap, you guessed it, we gotta taste them all. First up is the Belgian Wit. It delivers a bright citrus flavour balanced with subtle coriander spice. The natural haze enhances its visual appeal, while the lively carbonation creates a refreshing, crisp mouthfeel. It's well balanced, it's smooth. It captures a classic Witbier character, making an enjoyable and sessionable brew with a satisfyingly zesty finish. Onto the IPA. This brew showcases bold caramel notes with a distinct American Pale Ale character. Smooth and flavourful, it offers a well-rounded malt presence, but lacks the assertive bitterness expected in an IPA. While tasty and enjoyable, it leans more towards a malt-forward profile than the hop-driven punch IPA lovers seek. Onto the Hefeweizen. This Hefeweizen delivers a tangy fusion of wheat and hops, creating a refreshing, well-balanced profile. Light clove notes emerge subtly, adding a touch of spice to this smooth, easy drinking body. The traditional flavours shine through, making this a classic, enjoyable brew with a crisp finish that invites another sip. Lastly, the Stout. This Stout opens with bold burnt toast notes, followed by a deep dark presence. While it embraces a classic old school Stout profile, it feels much lighter than expected. Smooth and enjoyable, but lacking complexity and depth, it leaves you wanting a richer, more layered experience. It's a solid but simple brew. Kalali Brew brought us faith back in the Indian craft beer, even though we nearly got attacked by a rabid monkey looking like he was half cut, jumping behind the bar and practically pulling his own pint. Thank you for watching the Kalali Brew edition of PinkCraftBunny. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also check out PinkCraftBunny's other socials on Twitter and Instagram. Remember folks, gotta taste them all.